Hello friends, welcome to Corporate Tales. It is Tuesday, I think about 5 p.m. Let us check the time, I keep forgetting. Yeah, it's 4:30 p.m. and I completed half of my work and some chores around the house, and I just thought I will connect with you. I'll take a break, and here I am talking to you guys. So, how is your day going? Just let me know in the comment section. And if it is raining, wherever you are at, if you are in India, even if you are not in India, do let me know how is the weather. Here in Hyderabad today it was bright and sunny. It's a good break from the cold, chilly rains, heavy rains or moderate rains that we got last few days. So it's nice, bright and sunny today. Still places are closed. I cannot go out and take you guys out, but I do have some plans for October. Hopefully, I can bring it to fruition. So yeah, coming to the topic for today is self motivation. We always look upon our friends and family for them to motivate us, but the number one factor that should be driving us is self motivation. And I do see a lot of people at work, in my personal life, not being, not, they're not that motivated. They just want to live day by day without any goals. So I think that self motivation is another self development topic, according to me, that we can all work on, you know so so the number one tip that I would say is definitely be positive. There is no reason for us to be negative or pessimistic all the time. If you're just negative about everything all the time, you might have to think, why are you thinking this way? You might have to get help or speak to a friend, or maybe get speak to a life coach or something, or somebody. So yeah, always be positive, look forward to life, and think, even if you are going through a bad situation, like I said in the other video, the happiness video, how to keep yourself happy, just tell yourself this too shall pass, and some good outcome, or even a better outcome might come from this. So definitely stay positive. The other thing is, have goals in life. At work as well, we get goals. We officially are assigned goals, but in personal life as well, have some goals. Maybe have travel plans. They say have short term goals that you can achieve in 3 months or 2 months, or monthly goals or long term goals that you can achieve maybe 5 years or 10 years, things like that. Now this is very personalized. Maybe you want to buy a home, maybe you want to plan a vacation, like me, like I went last year to Chicago. So I had planned it for about a year. It just didn't happen. I had to plan it. I planned it meticulously, and I had to save also for that trip. So have short term goals. Maybe you want to learn a hobby, or skydiving. It's not on my list, but in case if it's on your list, so have certain goals, short term, long term. It depends on your personal choice and what you want to achieve. It gives something for us to look forward to. Yes, that's my goal. That's I have to work towards that goal. So you have like a motive or something to look forward to, and look forward to each day, or something to do each day, so that you can meet that goal, either short term or long term. So initially I used to not think much about goals. I used to not like, what is this goals, like why do we need to have goals? But don't live your life aimlessly. Have some aim in your life. Make most of the time doesn't stop for anyone. Maybe I can do a video on time management, and maybe I can learn a lesson or two from my time management video. So yeah, so time doesn't stop for anyone, and don't waste your time aimlessly. So that's the other one. What is, like I said, I have my list, and I sometimes keep forgetting. Okay, so let's say, you're positive, you've set goals, you have an aim in life, short term or long term. Okay, reward yourself from time to time. Maybe you can take yourself to spa, or you can call urban company. They're not paying me for this, I'm just saying, because in current situation we are living in pandemic. But you can maybe, get a haircut, or cook some meal, or order something, or buy a lipstick, or buy a dress and or an outfit. So you can reward yourself time to time as you're working towards those goals, and take break, something like that. So just ensures that you are motivated. Oh, let's say if you have 10 steps or 10 tasks to do, you achieve 5, give yourself a small award. Maybe eat a chocolate. If you're on diet, maybe eat a chocolate. That's a reward. Chocolate is a reward for me as well, because I've reduced sugar. So you can do that. I do that as well, even if I'm saving for long term. For my travel or international travel, I ensure that I do sometimes go in for a movie. At that time, when we were not living in pandemic, I would go and watch a movie and reward myself with few smaller things. So that's one that you can do. The other thing is, you can also manifest your goals. I'm big on manifestation. A lot of people do believe in law of attraction and manifestation. So maybe I can do a video sometime later, not this month. But you can manifest your goals, see yourself living that life, or achieving that goal, or see yourself when how you will feel when you've achieved that goal. That is another way of boosting your self motivation. So that's what I also do. Daydream. There is nothing wrong in daydream, and work towards your goal. In break, make your goal into specific and time bound uh, goal that you can achieve. And manifest, think about the consequences. Like, if you don't do this today, if you don't do this task today, what are the consequences? Is it going to be bad, or is it going to be good? If it's going to be good, how are you going to feel it? Are you going to feel very, very good or happy? So think about the consequences when you don't feel motivated enough to work towards your goal, or whatever you want to do, that you want to do in life, or for that day or for that month. So manifest yourself and have specific and time bound goals. That is, so you should know where you are headed to, right? So that's what you do. Have specific and time bound goals. Okay. And like I said, think about the outcome. If you are sad someday, that's fine. Think about the outcome. If you take a break from doing what you're doing, that you need to do to achieve goals, that is fine. But just think, if you carry that on for a longer time, what is the outcome? I mean, what are the consequences? Like I said, is it going to be good, or is it going to be bad? So that is another way of thinking ahead, a little bit ahead of time, and boosting your motivation. That no, I really have to achieve this. It's going to be good for me. This is what I really want for myself, and I want to be motivated enough to achieve my goals or tasks that you've planned for the day. So that is one that you can also try. Okay. The other thing is, make adversity your best friend. In one video I said, make failure your best friend, also adversity your best friend. Sometimes we achieve higher results, okay, because of adversity that we had not planned for. And everyone goes through adversity. Life is not hunky dory and happy all the time. But like I said, be positive and tell yourself, this too shall pass. So make adversity your best friend. You tell yourself, yes, I'll overcome this. I've overcome this few times, if you have already. And and just keep pushing yourself a bit by bit. If you're going through adversity, and if you want self motivation, take it day by day. Whatever task that you're doing, break it down into smaller chunks. And that way you can find, it's easier to find self motivation if you're going through adversity, or if it's a difficult time, or if it's sad time. So that's what I do. So you can do that. And so like I said, keep room for bad days. Every day is not perfect. Every day is not perfect for me either. uh, but I just if I'm not able to meet my goals or whatever task, or if my motivation is down, I think about the first thing I do is I think about the consequences. If I do this, it's going to be difficult for me to work towards that goal. but when I reach there, I'm going to be extremely happy, and these are the benefits. So this is how I think about it. And the other thing is, please don't depend on somebody else to motivate you. A lot of my friends, or sometimes my uh, my colleagues as well, they say, it was very demotivating, nobody's motivating me. No, don't wait for someone to go out and motivate you. It should come from within. Okay. Our friends and family do motivate us. My friends and family also motivate me to work hard and to achieve my goals, both work and personal. But in long term, it does not work. So please do not depend on anyone to really motivate you all the time. That's not a good thing. A good thing for us if you want to achieve higher goals. Okay, so that's one. And also, you could read motivational videos. You can watch some motivational movies based on real life, and read some books. And those are other things. You can also work out and things like that, which I've already covered, which I don't want to cover. So that's all. That's all I wanted to discuss with you in this video. So let me know, what do you do to keep yourself motivated all the time, especially during this pandemic time. And if you like the video, hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.